Hi. Today we're going to tell you about top features of Google AdMob Unsuspended. Let's get started. If you are an app developer, then AdMob is a great way to monetize your creativity and persistence. It has various features that developers and publishers will appreciate. Google AdMob is the most advanced platform for managing ad networks. It allows advertisers to maximize the revenue that they receive from their ad campaigns. A wide variety of ad formats can be built to create effective and engaging ads that can be easily accessed by users. They can also be designed to customize the user experience to increase the revenue that you can generate. Google AdMob is a powerful tool that lets you make the right decisions and improve the customer experience of your mobile app. It allows you to analyze and visualize your users' behavior. With the ability to integrate with Google Analytics for Firebase, you can get the most out of your data. Google AdMob's advanced monetization tools help boost the revenue of in-app ads. They can be used to manage various ad formats and campaigns. Hope you found the information useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our videos with other great Google marketing solutions for your business. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.